Hello everyone, my name is Vaibhav. I am from Pune. I have completed my Bachelor of Engineering in Electronics and Telecommunication in 2022. One day I am searching for a job opportunity on Naukri.com. There I got to know about the Evision Technosoft. After taking the details about the Evision Technosoft, I have joined 45 days online job internship program in Evision. They are completed the so many multiple modules like ITIL, networking, CCNA, Windows administration, VMware, software and hardware troubleshooting, and so many other multiple modules. And hands-on practical also, and taking the mock interview practice. And now currently I am placed in Technosoft Services Private Limited as a technical support engineer, with package is 3.26 LPA. And all about the credit, it's all about the credit it Evision Technosoft, because of there are guidance and support for in details. That's why thank you for Evision. Thank you.